Hey there, everyone. This is Kathy with Carnivore Uphill. I come to you daily or almost daily and let you know about this journey that I am on, finally getting this weight off. I want to let you know what I do and what is working for me. Now I have a group of subscribers who are doing this with me, and we're doing this together, and we meet once a week on Thursdays at 10 a.m. with our live chat, and you're welcome to join in any Thursday at 10 a.m. There's no charge, and you don't have to be a member. Just join right in with us. If you are interested in getting your weight off, this is the group to join because we're having a great time and it's working. I want to start this video and let you know exactly what I am doing that's working for me and encourage you to join with us if you are interested in getting healthy, getting off your medications, losing weight, and know exactly what the carnivore diet is and what we are doing to get our weight off and to be healthy. If you don't know me, my name is Kathy, and I started this Carnivore Uphill YouTube channel back in November of 2025. My goal was to do something to find some friends who could do this with me to help me get this last 40 or so pounds off that I need to get off. I've been overweight for most of my adult life. I've had well over 100 pounds to lose, but now I'm working on this last amount of weight that I need to get off of me. I am doing it now with the carnivore diet. So back in November, I decided to do just beef butter and my electrolyte drinks, my hot electrolyte drinks. And I'll show you how I make those in just a minute. But now I've decided to go ahead and add 3 eggs in the morning along with my beef that I have for my lunch. Now the carnivore diet, it's usually BBB&E, which means beef, butter, bacon, and eggs. But right now I am having 3 eggs in the morning and I'm having my beef for my lunch. I usually have my ground sirloin and I make a flattened out hamburger patty, at least a half a pound patty, in my wonderful pans that I use. But today I had something a little bit different. I cooked my chuck roast steak in the crock pot. I'll show you how I make my hot electrolyte drinks. And I want to let you know exactly what I'm eating because it's working for me. I was down another pound this morning when I got on the scale, so I'm excited about that. It really is working for me. If it's working for me, it might work for you guys also. So every morning I use this little monitor, and I do have the information about it down below in the description. But I take my blood glucose and my ketone. This morning my ketones was 0.9 and my glucose was 96. I am on no medications. I do not take any blood pressure or diabetic or any medications whatsoever. And I'm doing this, I'm being healthy by staying on the carnivore diet. Every morning I have my hot electrolyte drink, and it starts with my bone broth protein. And I have a link down below in the description where you can purchase it on Amazon if you're interested. And to my bone broth protein, I add this Relight, and I put information down below about this also. In addition to that, I put 1 drop of iodine in my hot drink. So the first thing I do to make my hot drink is I put my creamer, and this is what I use. I just get it at my grocery store. And I put this creamer, and I froth it all up with my frother. I add my bone broth protein powder, and I add the Relight powder, and I froth it up, and then I pour in the boiling water. And I love this. It tastes so good. I don't have coffee anymore because I just have this hot drink in the morning. It curbs my appetite. And I think it's delicious. And then later in the day, around noon or 1 or 2, I will have my beef. Usually I will cook my half pound of ground sirloin in my pan with butter, and that's what I have for my meal. But today I had something a little bit different. I used my crock pot and I put in my chuck roast with butter, and I let it cook slow all day today in the crock pot since early this morning. And that's what I had for my beef and butter for my lunchtime. It was very good, but I can tell you, I really love my hamburger patties, and that's what I'll usually have each day, and I'll show you about that in another video. This morning I did have my 3 eggs scrambled in the pans that I love to use. I have a description below on these pans. They're wonderful, and the eggs don't stick at all, and I put some butter in it, and I cook the eggs and scramble them up or fry them, and they taste really good. So now I am eating 3 eggs in the morning and my beef for my lunch. I also drink these drinks because they have a lot of potassium in them. There you go. And a lot of times I will put a 4th teaspoon of no salt in it because no salt has a lot of potassium in it. So this gives me my potassium. And I do have a list of vitamins that I take, and I'll show you all of that in another video. Also in my meat, I always use Redmond's Real Salt. This is just a big bag of it, but I put Redmond's Real Salt on my meat when I'm cooking it, and I also use it on my eggs. And when I'm traveling, I take these little travel size no salt. I keep one in my purse, so if I stop somewhere to get my beef patties, I put my own salt on it. Each day I try to get some exercise, but we've had some pretty rough winter months here in the mountains of western North Carolina, and I have not been able to go outside and exercise. So I get on my indoor treadmill. I love this treadmill because it has arm rails that I can hold onto it and steady myself while I'm walking. And now I can get in about an hour each day on my treadmill. I'm going to show you a video of me on it so you can see what it looks like. And I have a description below also on where you could purchase one of these treadmills if you're interested. They're lightweight, they fold up, but I don't need to fold mine up. I just leave it out all the time so I can get on it and walk when I'm watching TV or something. I will also go outside and show you what it looks like behind my house going up the hill. And I want to let you know that this is my goal, to be able to go out as soon as the weather permits and start walking up and down the hill behind my house, and let you go along with me as I do that. I am outside and I want to show you the hill that is behind my house. And this is the hill that I want to be able to walk up and down. I am not going to walk on this hill behind me while it's still dangerous. It's too wet and muddy right now, and I would end up falling, and I don't want that to happen. My goal is later this summer, when it gets warmer weather, that I'll be able to have someone come out here and landscape it to where they can put some steps going up that hill and make it safer for me to get up and down. I've had a lot of clearing done on my property since we went through a hurricane a little over a year ago, and I've had a lot of stumps removed and fallen trees. Now I want to make this an uphill walk for me that is safe, and I want to have someone come out here and let me know what it would take to have some steps built up that hill, a landscaper. And if you guys have any suggestions, please let me know, because that is my plan and my goal this summer, my uphill, carnivore uphill behind me that I want to get fixed so I can get exercise and walk up and down. When I'm not in the house on my treadmill, like I have to do during the winter months, I will be outside walking on my property. And one of the best things I can do is to walk up and down this hill behind me, and I need to get some steps put back there. So give me any advice if you have suggestions, and we'll do this together. I'll make videos and you can walk with me up and down that hill. So every Thursday at 10 a.m. now, I do a live video. And this has been wonderful because I now have a group of people that are doing this carnivore diet along with me because they also want to lose weight. And my guess is that the majority of the people that join my live are older folks like me. I'm 70 years old, but I do not want to be on medications. I don't want to be in a nursing home. I don't want to be going to doctor's appointments all the time. I want to just be healthy and exercise when I want to and not have aches and pains. And this carnivore way of eating gets rid of inflammation, and it can cure a lot of sicknesses like diabetes and arthritis and many things that people have to go through that's all caused by eating carbs and sugar. So we talk about this in our live videos on Thursdays, and so you can come join in with us and learn what we are doing and see if it's something you would like to do and join with us also. We don't argue about anything. We're just nice to each other and encourage each other because all of us have tried everything. We're old enough to have tried everything that's been out there to try to lose weight. And I can tell you, after knowing what it's like to be well over 100 pounds overweight, probably as much as 130 or 40 pounds overweight, but I'm getting it off and it's coming off of me. And the best way now at my age to finish getting this weight off is with the carnivore diet. And I'm healthy, I feel good, I have a lot of energy, and I want to tell others what I am doing because it's working for me. And I've tried everything, but this is what is working. And I'll be able to keep it off and stay healthy and stay away from the doctors and medications. Thank you everyone for joining. I do put another video up here somewhere at the end of this video to suggest that you look at another one of my videos if you are interested in finding out more about who I am and what I do. You can learn all of this in my videos. And I also have a thing up here where you can subscribe to my channel, which would be very nice to join with us, and we'll just all do this together and get this weight off. To my current subscribers, I do want to thank you for subscribing and for all that you're doing with your comments and your encouragements, and you help me and you help each other, and that's what's so wonderful about this channel. So guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.